Under Generating Key Pair, copy the command and paste it into the console. You can name your key pair with any desired name. To view the public key again, copy the command and paste it into the console to check your public key. The next command allows you to check your account balance using the public key. To do so, copy the command and paste it into the console. Next, replace the public key field with the public key of your account. Your balance will then be displayed in the console as shown. Exporting key pair. Replace the name field with the desired account name. Ensure that the location you saved the JSON file is in a secure directory, and that is stored with the pchain client too. To import your key pair, copy the command and paste it into the console. You will be prompted to input your public and private key into the console. You can find the key pair in the JSON file that you have exported. Complete the process by giving the imported key an account name. To request for testnet tokens from a faucet, click on the term Faucet Service that is in the document. Once you are on the testnet faucet landing page, fill in the field with your account address. Your account address is also your public key, which can be found in your exported JSON file. To check if your request was successful, click on the History tab. The following statement will appear. You can also type the following command into the console to check if your request was successful. Replace the placeholder account address with your public key.